Welcome to the course on ChatGPT for SAP ABAP Development. In this course, I will discuss with you how SAP ABAP developers can use ChatGPT to increase their efficiency and productivity. Let's understand the meaning behind the buzzwords everyone is using. Artificial intelligence or AI is a field of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This task includes learning from experience, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. If a machine can classify objects, make data driven decisions, answer questions, then it is said that machine has artificial intelligence. This could be anything from simple chess playing program to a voice recognized system like Siri or Alexa. Generative AI. Generative AI is one of the most promising advancement in the artificial intelligence. It enables computers to generate data that resembles real data such as images, music, speech, or text. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It was trained on massive dataset of text to generate human-like responses to the prompts. It can answer questions and assist you with the task such as composing emails and code. This AI chatbot is available on Microsoft Edge browser in the form of Copilot. Gemini. Gemini is a powerful artificial intelligence model from Google that can understand not only just text but also images, videos, and audio. Gemini is capable of completing complex tasks as well as understanding and generating code in various programming languages. In this course, I will be using ChatGPT tool embedded in Microsoft Edge browser. All the topic discussed in this course also applicable on other AI platforms such as Google's Gemini. Let me introduce you to the ChatGPT and its capabilities. ChatGPT is a generative artificial intelligence chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human like conversational dialogue. If ChatGPT is used correctly, it can be a great tool to increase efficiency and productivity of SAP ABAP developer. Here is how it can be useful for SAP ABAP developer. ChatGPT can assist you in writing SAP ABAP program and reduce the overall time required for SAP ABAP development. You can share your ABAP code snippets with ChatGPT and it can help you review them. It can provide suggestions for improvements and identify the potential issues. If you are trying to understand a new SAP ABAP concept, ChatGPT can provide the explanations and examples for better understanding. If you are stuck on particular problem or error, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm solutions or find the relevant information that might help you. It can be a great tool for interactive learning. ChatGPT can provide interactive learning experiences. You can ask questions about the ABAP concepts and get the instant responses, making the learning process more engaging. Good documentation is crucial for maintaining and updating code in the future. ChatGPT can assist you in writing a clear and concise documentation for your web program. Remember, while ChatGPT tries to provide accurate and helpful information, it's always important to double check and test everything in your SAP ABAP environment. because the accuracy of its output is not always assured. Here is one more thing to remember. ChatGPT is based on machine learning model called GPT, which is designed to generate diverse and creative text. That's why ChatGPT may not provide the same output every time for the same input. Thank you for watching this video lecture. See you in next video lecture.